Hey, is this thing recording?
Yeah.
What's up? Bro, our fucking kayaks! Dog, our fucking kayaks are over there!
Damn it.
It's alright, it's alright, it's alright. Hurry up, bro. Hey, hurry, they're gonna catch. Hey, is this thing recording?
Yeah.
What's up? Bro, our fucking kayaks! Dog, our fucking kayaks are over there!
Damn it.
It's alright, it's alright, it's alright. Hurry up, bro. Hey, hurry, they're gonna catch. Here. Here, I'm just gonna cut it. Go. We're good.
We had a life.
Bro, we had a life jacket, bro.
We gotta bring it up better though.
It's alright. Hey, at least I saw it before it was in the middle of the bay.
Hey, grab the life jacket too.
We're good.
Alright, guys.
Alright, folks, our freaking kayaks floated away. And we got KAYAK Media going out there to salvage it. Wow. Wow. That's why you always go with somebody right there. That is the exact reason.
That's the main rule of kayak fishing.
Always come with somebody.
Something like this would happen.
I'm over there.
Stranded.
I'm over there fishing, and then I see both of our kayaks floating away. And what happened to our rope? There he goes. Oh, my heart sunk. I looked over there and I saw your kayak, and I was like,
Way down the top. Check this out. It's sketchy.
yeah, that is super sketchy. Guys, should I kick it from them? Should I kick it out from underneath them? This is our walk the plank. Bro, look at that.
Definitely stacked.
Yo, yeah, definitely. Look at the line.
Huh?
I said definitely. Look at the line. Look what happened. That is why you go with other people right there. It's a drum. All right, boys, I'm hooked up. He's running out too. He's running out. That's perfect. That's what we want. Oh, it's such a big fish. Look at that. Yeah, I'm on. I'm on, bro. He's running out. I feel it in his gill plate.
Alright, guys.
No.
Right now, go ahead.
Kip, go on that side. Go on that side. Hurry.
Alright, you gonna pass it right underneath? This is.
Here. Got it?
Hey, I'm gonna go on the other side just in case. Hey.
Here. I'm horsing them, boys.
Hurry up, go in as much line out as you can.
Hey, is this thing recording?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah, record.
Okay, good. Oh!
Keep him tighten it up now.
No,
You
bro.
have to tire him out. Get him.
He's thumbing it. He's thumbing it. He's thumbing it.
Here you go. Pull up.
Get that man. You got him, boy. You got him. Way to play. Way to play. Way to play. You got him, player.
Oh. Dude, that's a freaking monster. Heads up, heads up, heads up, heads up, heads up. Caleb, get on that side.
Oh,
Here, net. Don't worry about the underwater.
Pull it. Getting on the right. Hold over you.
That's a big one, bro. Got him?
Oh, he's huge.
Dude! That is a monster! Look, Remora, get him. Keep that Remora on him. Oh my gosh, folks! Oh, that's Caleb's, bro.
Dude, that is
Oh
a
my
hog.
gosh! Oh my, yo, hey, it's all right. Remora just went in the water, folks. Oh my gosh! What a fish! 2. Oh my gosh! Hey, go get your measuring board real quick, man. Oh my gosh!
Top Tuka squad out here.
He was right. Yes, sir. He is a stud.
Dude,
Copper Wildest name
38
is massive,
and a
yo.
half.
no, he's
39.
He's 39.
9-inch black drum.
Okay, wow.
Hey man, say something to the camera.
I finally hooked onto this big drum. It's been biting our bait for the last 20 minutes, and it is a monster. By far my biggest. I'm gonna hold him up for you guys.
Hold on.
Look how big that tail is compared to my hand. Look at that. All right, here, I'm gonna hold him up for you. Oh! That is a big fish. Hey, can you look at your camera, please? Look at that fish, guys.
Massive.
Y'all leave a like for that big mama right there. Look, it's got a parasite on it too. Bring that little thing closer. Look on its fin. You see that little thing on its fin right there? Little parasite.
It's a Mogan.
That is a big mama right there.
Hey, get his back. I'm gonna get a top view of him, like how big his head is. That is definitely a stud, guys. Behind the scenes. KAYAK media. But that core is tight, huh?
That core is tight.
All right, let's give him in the water.
All right,
I'm gonna get you on
guys,
that
we're
release.
gonna go ahead and release this big mama.
Nope, just throw him in there. You gotta
We're just gonna
revive him.
nosedive him and see where she goes. Here we go. Thanks for the
Hey,
fight,
you
big girl.
can get him by kayak if you want.
Come on, baby. There she goes. She's gonna kick. Here we go. Filming. There she goes, guys. Big mama black drum swimming back down at the bottom. What a fight. Look at it go. What a fight. Y'all make sure to like the video. Check out these guys as well. Y'all stay tuned for some more. All right, folks. What she got there? Big old drum? Oh, it's perfect eating size.
Oh yeah, man. If they're under 30 inches,
Dude, that's a nice one. He's probably like 28. Beautiful.
It's obviously gonna lie.
What you got, man?
we'll double the drill, guys. Right in the mouth, or the mouth.
Oh, that's perfect eating size, dude. All right, boys. We got another black drum. Jack just caught one. It's not nearly as big as mine, but he wanted one that he could eat. Here, you want to pull him out real quick and show everybody? What'd you get, man?
Nice 28-inch black drum.
Dude, perfect eating size.
Not too big.
Not too
small.
big, not too small. He'll be really good in the frying pan.
Yes, sir.
Look at that fish bag.
Five sheephead.
Dude, nice fish, man.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about, bro. The bite has turned on over here. All right, boys, KAYAK Media is hooked up. Oh, you better get him. Better pull him out of the wreck.
Yeah.
That's a nice one, dude. Get him, son. Loosen your drag up a little bit, man.
Wait for that. It's on the water. That's a nice one. First sheepy of the day. Woo.
KAYAK Media is hooked up, folks. Well, he was hooked up, now he's got him in, but it's a nice fish, man. About 18.
Jack thought he had it. He thought he had it.
About an 18-inch one. GoPro wasn't recording, so I just ended it, but I'm hooked up on another black drum. Another one. It's a big one too. Okay. That's another big one. Oh, I gotta horse him up before he gets in that pylon. Oh, come on, baby. Oh, he cut me off. Dang it. The big drum are everywhere. Hey, it's FWC guy.
What's up, man?
Is that the same guy? That's a drum. That's a drum, boys. Bro, stop. Come on, baby. Ah. I got this Mogan. That's another big one too, boy. Woo! That's another big one too. He's trying to make a run for it. Hey, net. Oh yeah, that's another big one. Oh yeah. Come on, baby. Oh yeah, you ought to be able to get some really good underwater shots of this one.
Oh,
damn. Got him a little sheepshead. Meat mash.
I went down to that 12-pound fluorocarbon with that mouth.
All right, boys, we just made it back to the launch. Really good day of fishing. Absolutely good day. But I told you guys while we were heading out that we were going to set out a crab trap. And let's see if we got any. What'd you get, man?
That one little one.
You got one little crab?
With drum bait.
For drum bait. Where's he at? Oh, right there. So you got one. How long was out there for? Maybe 3 hours?
That's that.
Nice little blue crab.
About that life.
He's like, get out of my territory, boy. Oh, he's... Bro, he's a feisty one, man. But yeah, so we ended up getting one, or Jack got one. It's his crab trap, but nice little blue crab. Let's focus it. Beautiful blue crab. It's gonna be drum bait. All right, folks, that wraps up the trip. All in all, we had a fantastic day today here in Pensacola Bay. We ended up leaving with 6 sheepshead. Jack got him like a 28-inch black drum, so we're leaving with a mess of fish. I caught my personal best black drum. He wasn't the longest black drum that I've ever caught, but he was by far the heaviest. He was absolutely monster. He had to have been over 40 pounds easy. But I think, how many did you catch? How many sheepshead did you catch? 4. He got 4 sheepshead and a black drum, and then Kavar took me to go. I got 2 sheepshead, and I got broke off twice by something massive. Pretty sure it was a black drum. Yeah, I got cut off probably 3 or 4 times on some black drum. They were everywhere. But guys, leave a comment. If you're from the local area, leave a comment in the comment section. We're gonna be giving out some free Saltugan Sixers. We're just messing around, showing everybody what it's like to be a Saltugan. If y'all want one, leave a comment, and we'll get back to you guys. I'll send you one. And that wraps up the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to these people's channels. And
like button.
hit the like button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Tight lines.